Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix or Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys notification vibration setting, how to turn off. Friends, you don't want to use notification vibration setting, so how to turn off notification vibration setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone, special function option setting. So friends, you can use game mode, smart panel setting, video assistant setting. Friends, click here accessibility setting. After an accessibility setting friends, you can select to speak, talkback setting, font size setting, dark theme, color correction, color inversion setting friends you can use from here. Power window and call setting is here. So friends, click here vibration setting. And friends, you can use ring vibration, notification vibration and touch feedback vibration setting. So friends, you want to off your ring vibration setting, you can off. Friends, I will off only notification vibration setting. I don't want to use notification vibration setting. So friends, we will turn off notification vibration in Tecno mobile from accessibility setting. We can off. And you don't want to use ring vibration setting also, so you can off from here. So like that friends, you can off ring vibration and notification vibration in Tecno mobile. So like that friends, we can use ring vibration and notification vibration setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.